The ultimate diabetic workout routine. Living with diabetes doesn't mean you can't have an active lifestyle. In fact, exercise is crucial for managing blood sugar levels, improving insulin sensitivity, and enhancing overall well-being. This guide will walk you through a workout routine to help you manage your diabetes effectively. Why exercise is essential for diabetics. Exercise is vital for those with diabetes because it improves insulin sensitivity and helps cells respond better to insulin. Lowers blood sugar levels. Muscles absorb glucose during exercise. Aids weight management, burns calories, and reduces body fat. Boosts cardiovascular health, strengthens the heart and improves circulation. Enhances mental health, releases endorphins, improving mood and reducing stress. Components of the ultimate diabetic workout routine. To create an effective workout routine, include a variety of exercises targeting different aspects of fitness. Cardiovascular exercise, strength training, flexibility and balance exercises, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, and mind-body exercises. 1. Cardio exercises are crucial for heart health and improving insulin sensitivity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise per week. Some examples include brisk walking 30 minutes a day, cycling, stationary or outdoors, swimming, full-body workout, and dancing, fun and engaging. 2. Strength training. Strength training helps build muscle mass, improving insulin sensitivity and aiding in weight management. Incorporate these exercises at least 2 days a week. Examples: body weight exercises, push-ups, squats, lunges, machines, target specific muscle groups, free weights, dumbbells and kettlebells, resistance bands, versatile for various exercises. 3. Flexibility and balance exercises. These exercises prevent injuries and improve mobility. Include them in your routine 2 to 3 times a week. Examples: stretching. Hold each stretch for 15-30 seconds. Yoga enhances flexibility and relaxation. Tai Chi improves balance and reduces stress. 4. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by rest or low-intensity exercise. It's effective for improving cardiovascular fitness and insulin sensitivity. Examples: sprint intervals, 30 seconds of sprinting, 1-2 minutes of walking. Circuit training, combined strength and cardio exercises. HIIT classes, structured and guided workouts. 5. Mind-body exercises. Incorporating mind-body exercises helps manage stress and improve mental health. 1. Meditation reduces stress and improves mental clarity. Breathing exercises, practice deep breathing techniques. Sample weekly workout plan. Monday, 30 minutes of brisk walking and 20 minutes of body weight strength training. Tuesday, 20 minutes of HIIT. 10 minutes of stretching. Wednesday, 30 minutes of cycling. 15 minutes of yoga. Thursday, 30 minutes of swimming and 20 minutes of free weights. Friday, 20 minutes of dancing and 10 minutes of Tai Chi. Saturday, 20 minutes of HIIT and 15 minutes of stretching. Sunday, rest or light activity like a leisurely walk or meditation. Tips for success. Monitor blood sugar levels. Check your blood sugar before, during, and after exercise to understand how your body responds. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after workouts. Wear proper footwear. Protect your feet with comfortable, supportive shoes to prevent injuries. Listen to your body. Adjust the intensity and duration of your workouts based on how you feel. Consult your doctor. Before starting any new exercise routine, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have any diabetes-related complications. Conclusion. The ultimate diabetic workout routine is a balanced mix of cardiovascular, strength, flexibility, balance, and mind-body exercises. Regular physical activity not only helps manage blood sugar levels, but also improves overall health and well-being. By following this comprehensive workout routine and staying consistent, you can effectively manage your diabetes and lead a healthier, more active life. For more information on leading a healthy lifestyle, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel.